Assalamualaikum class. Hope you all are good at home. It's your maths lesson and today our topic is count and write. Okay class, here you can see this worksheet. Now what you have to do, first we will count the pictures and then we will write the correct numbers. So what we have the first? Yes, we have footballs. So let's count the footballs together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 footballs. Which number we will write in front of this picture? Number 4. Very good. Now what we have next? Yes, bananas. Okay, let's count the bananas together. 1, 2, 3. So how many bananas we have? Very good. We have 3 bananas. So we will write number 3. Now what we have next? Yes, it is a house. Let's count the house together. 1. It is one house. So we will write number 1 in front of this house. Okay. Class. Now what you have to do at your home, you have to count these pictures and write the correct number in front of the pictures in the given box. Okay, this is your assignment. Take care. Allah Hafiz.